This is another model home that we are going to look at actually for the very same client who purchased the first one. He liked the deal so much that he asked us to find another house, and we did.
Is it this house up here, this one?
It's this house. You can film it. Film the whole exterior.
Oh, how cool, man. Look.
It's quite spacious, featuring 5 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. This serves as the builder's sales office, isn't it? That's typically how a model home operates. And then, once it's sold, they're initially going to lease it back from the buyer, which we certainly hope will be our client. Don't you agree? We also really hope he'll appreciate this house. And after it's sold, they rent it back until the entire project is completed, and they continue to pay the rent to the owner. The buyer already acquires the house with
Leaseback program?
leaseback.
Yes.
Let's go. Wow, this is truly stunning, my goodness. We can turn right over there. Look.
To the right here.
We are actually seeing this house for the very first time, so we are having the same reaction the client will have when he comes in, right? This is a separate formal dining room. Oh my goodness, how beautiful it is, everyone. And this furniture, it comes with all the furniture. That's the best part of buying a model home. You have the option to buy it with or without the furniture. But who would pass up on furniture as beautiful as this? They put in the best. Look at that piece over there, honey. Show them. Oh, how beautiful. And the combination of wood tones look lighter, darker with gray. It's spectacular. We have a half bath here. I'll just turn on the light. In this specific area, you'll find the garage, but currently they are utilizing it as the builder's sales office, aren't they? The sales center, as they call it, if you want to show it. And then, after the house is sold and the leaseback program with them concludes, they will demolish this wall, won't they? They remove all of this and construct the garage for the house of deliveries. So this here is a drop-off area over there, right? Upon entering, you'll find what they refer to as the mudroom, where you can conveniently place your shoes and hang your bags. There's another door nearby. Let's explore where that takes us. The air conditioner, the air conditioning unit. Here at the entrance to the half bath, there's another closet. Look. For hanging coats. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely incredible. Look, everything is white. Oh, I'm absolutely captivated here, just like the other house he bought. It has these looks, right? This one is the classic look. We showed it in the previous video.
There are images, and we can put them in this one. They're showing now.
Exactly. This is an example of the finishes. Oh my goodness, I am totally smitten. It's the same exact appliances, do you see? The washing machine, the dishwasher, right? Yes, the dishwasher and the stove. This stove is electric, not gas, and that's the sole distinction. Right here underneath, there's a range hood. The fridge, incredible. Ooh, it's full of water for us here. Stove, microwave, and this one is the same as that one, right? It's an air fryer too. Look at the white quartz, it's so beautiful. And then in this section, we have the breakfast area. This is quite important here. Americans really love it. Always, you will consistently find the formal dining room and a breakfast area conveniently located by the window for ample natural light, correct? To capture the daylight. Let's head to the outside area now, as I'm quite curious to see it. Look how beautiful. It's a good space, right? You could put a jacuzzi here on the side. I don't think there's a lot of space for a pool, but they did manage to include a fire pit for the winter.
When it's cold, you can sit here.
Yeah, it's quite interesting, isn't it? Very beautiful. And look here, it's already paved for a jacuzzi, and there's a small patch of grass, even for those who might have a dog, you know?
I think a pool could fit here, you know? Not a huge one, but it would fit.
Yeah, maybe, but I think a jacuzzi works better.
And this table here, does it all come with it, honey?
Debbie?
All of this?
All the furniture, everything you see in the house, that's considered a fixture. A fixture is what's attached to the house, and the furniture is included in price.
This room?
Amazing, wonderful. The TV is included. Look how beautiful. Let's try out this sofa to see if it's comfortable. It feels really nice. I like it a lot. I already feel at home. I think we missed a little spot over there. Go, 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 cameraman. Over here.
Look, more stuff here.
There's a room here. Look at this. A suite, actually. Look at the size of this room. Oh, look at the interior design. The straw details, and then right over here. This is the pantry.
Big, huh?
Very big. A closet. So shall we go up? Oh, the stairs are on the other side, right? You're heading downstairs. Look how cool the wood floor is. It's not the wood floor, the stairs, right? Over here we have carpet, which is quite elegant. To the right, what awaits us? I believe this is the main bedroom, the master. But check out the intricate detail on the door. The set, how beautiful. Wow, what gorgeous interior design. Everything, the finishes, bedding, look. Lovely. It's funny, there are glasses here, see? I saw them downstairs and here too. It even comes with reading glasses. I wonder if we can read with them. Let me see. I'll try them on. They're prescription, you know?
Prescription, right?
They're prescription.
I also found it very bright. Lots of windows. Big windows.
Oh, honey, I want it. Just look at this bathroom. How do we move into this house? I want this one now.
Soon enough. How many videos do you suppose we'll need to create to acquire a house like this, my dear?
Oh, I don't know, honey. I hope not too many videos. Over here we have the private area. Look at this walk-in closet. Wow.
It is, quite literally, a spacious walk-in closet.
The size of this walk-in closet. Oh, I'm ready to move in already.
I thought you were ready to stay, my dear.
Oh my God, I am completely captivated by this house. Help! What could possibly be in here now?
What's this?
A linen closet.
I see, I know. I understand everything completely. This here is my darling's closet.
That's right.
Right? This one.
This is yours.
And this one is mine. I get it now. That's it. Yes, it'll always be this way. What can you do? Life's life.
I'm absolutely smitten with this house, seriously. I'm not playing around. Did you notice the barn door detail right there? Check out the wall texture, it's so cool. One has a textured finish and the other is just smooth. Yeah, here's another bedroom. Wow, what a beautiful thing. I am so impressed with the interior design. Truly impressed. It's classic, but at the same time, it's very modern. And the pastel colors look matching the palette. I loved even the bedding, the pillows, everything. Then this room here connects to the other one with the bathroom in the middle, which is called a Jack and Jill. I think in Brazil it's called a suite canadense, right?
I didn't know.
No? Look, it has 2 separate sinks and a bathroom that comes complete with a bathtub. Right here. And then there's the other bedroom that connects here. Look, it has a little video game corner.
Wow, and this here, right? This little beanbag to lie down here and relax.
They made one room for a boy and another for a girl, right? Just to give you an idea of the interior design. Look how beautiful, the bedding, everything, it's a dream.
And another walk-in closet.
Yes, this room has a walk-in closet.
Wow.
Each room has its own walk-in closet, and the bathroom, which is situated in the middle, is shared by both rooms, right? And now we also have this loft space, which is absolutely wonderful. You could easily set up your office right here at this desk, you know, for work, or simply unwind and read a good book. And the laundry room is conveniently located in this area here. upstairs, which serves the bedrooms. And it comes complete with the machines and everything. Yeah, the utility sink is always important.
Separate.
Then there's another closet here for storing things. It's a space where they placed a door here to store anything.
Look at the size of this desk.
It is simply wonderful. That's all there is to it. Wonderful. Then there's another closet here.
These types of cabinets are mostly for towels, right?
Yes, it's what they refer to as a linen closet, typically for towels and bed linen. But given its location here, outside and closer to this loft area, it could certainly be used for many other things, like storing paper or boxes, you know? And there's another bathroom here which serves as a... Yes, this bathroom serves the loft, the common area, and also this magnificent bedroom right here. Oh, check out this room. I'd say it's totally Taylor Swift style, and just look at that guitar.
Wow, beautiful.
Oh, I want this house, honey.
Wow.
Let's buy it instead.
I have to ask, does it come with the guitar?
Yes, it actually comes with a guitar.
Wow.
Man, the details of the curtains, look, everything, absolutely everything is beautiful. Everything is so well thought out, so elegant. Look at that, look at the bed, the bedding. You know, when I received the images from the builder announcing that this house would be available, they made a video, a vertical video, with just a normal one, just to send to us. However, the pictures didn't truly capture its magnificence compared to experiencing it in person. You truly need to visit the property to really know, to feel it, to see how wonderful it is. Model home, which is also fully furnished, and it will present the same great opportunity as the first house we successfully sold. This one will also be rented out by the builder, ensuring a profitable return of 8.8%. This is an excellent opportunity in Winter Garden. One like this is difficult to come by. So if you have your money saved and want to invest abroad in the United States, and you want to dollarize your capital, then reach out to us and we'll assist you in the best way possible.